Welcome. Today, we're walking through how to activate a passkey on X, formerly known as Twitter. Passkeys are the newest, most secure way to sign in, no more worrying about lost passwords or codes. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once it's open, tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From there, find and tap on Settings and Support. Inside that menu, tap Settings and Privacy. This will bring up a list of different account options. Select Security and Account Access. Now, choose Security. This is where all your safety options live. Scroll down to find the Passkey section. You'll see a toggle next to it. Simply switch it on. Next, you'll be asked to enter your current password to verify it's really you. Go ahead and type it in, then tap Create Passkey. At this point, your device will walk you through confirming the passkey setup. Depending on your phone, you might use Face ID, a fingerprint, or your device PIN. Follow the prompts on screen until it confirms that your passkey is ready. And that's it. You've just set up a passkey for your X account. From now on, logging in will be smoother and more secure. You won't need to type your password. Your phone's built-in security will handle it for you. If you ever switch to a new device, just repeat these same steps to generate a new passkey that's tied to that device. Activating a passkey only takes a few minutes, but it adds a strong extra layer of protection to your account. Whether you're using X for business, news, or just staying connected, having that extra security gives a peace of mind. Thanks for watching.